Hello my dear students, welcome back. It's so good to see you. How was the quiz? Pretty easy, isn't it? Straightforward. Just know the terms, okay? Know the triangle, quadrilateral, and then hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, all that, So it's pretty easy, okay? So, like Mr. Mac, forget the pentagon, which is a 5, alright? So let's do it again. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, decagon, and nonagon. Let's do it again, okay? Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. What is this one? Hexagon. And what is this one? Pentagon. No. What is this one? Hexagon. And what is this one? Heptagon. And what is this one? Octagon. And what is this one? Nonagon. And this one? Decagon. Good job. Alright? Alright, my dear students. In this sub-lesson, we're going to talk about symmetric. Okay? What symmetric means? Well, let's do an experiment. Okay? Let's say, for example, Mr. Mac got a piece of paper here. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this piece of paper. Alright? So I'm going to fold this piece of paper right in the center. And then Mr. Mac's going to draw only on the one side. Okay? I'm just going to draw this, okay? See that? And then Mr. Mac's going to take a scissors and I'm going to cut it. Alright, let's cut this along this line. I'm just going to cut it. Be careful, okay? When you do something like this, when you're dealing with scissors, alright, they're sharp. You got to be very careful, okay? Take a lot of caution, okay? Precaution when you do that. Alright, let that cut it. Now I'm going to open it. Oh, it's a love. Mr. Mac is the Barney. I love you. You love me. We are happy family. I dressed out as a purple too, like the Barney. Alright. See that? This is called symmetry line. Right in the center. So the reflection. See that? It has an identical figure. Alright? See that? So, see that when I open it up? It forms a love shape. Okay, so this is the symmetric line. Symmetric line. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another one. This is so much fun. Mr. Mac loves it. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, this time Mr. Mac's gonna fold it. Okay, and then let's draw. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you. Tell me what's this gonna turn out to be. I know you already guessed it. This is going to be a butterfly. Alright, let's cut him. Let's cut him, okay? Let's see how good this turns out. Let's see how this thing turns out. Oh, there you go. There we go. Very careful, okay? Now you can do the same thing too. Have fun with this, alright? Okay? So, but be careful when you're dealing with scissors. Alright? Take a lot of caution, alright? Because they're very sharp. And make sure your mom and dad or your older brother or sisters next to you when you're dealing with this, okay? So, okay, let's cut them. And then almost there, almost there. Yes, we're done. Alright, okay. Now look, let's open this. You're right, it is a butterfly. Okay, look at that. And what do you call this center line here again? Symmetric line. That is the symmetric line. Okay? And that's the center of that. So we got two identical shape. Alright? See that? So that is what symmetric line. Okay? Oh, that was so much fun, isn't it? Let's do more. Mr. Mac this time got a color paper, alright? Okay, now this is good. Let's say, for example, for Hari Raya, for Christmas, or for Diwali, or Chinese New Year, and you want to decorate your house, you can help your mom create a beautiful design around the house, Okay, so what you want to do is, so you take a nice red color like this, you want to fold it, and you can be any design, alright? So Mr. Mac's going to draw something with the Mr. Mac's Math Victory logo, alright? Score A Math Victory logo in it. You'll see, alright? Mr. Mac's going to surprise you, okay? Make sure you fold it really good, alright? Okay, the corners must be perfectly to the edge, alright? So, and then let's see, okay, let's make another one. Alright, okay, I think this is, let's do a big one. Okay, there we go, okay? So Mr. Mac's gonna fold it, and then I'm gonna, okay, create a crease right there. Alright, let's get scissors. Okay, and then Mr. Mac's gonna cut it. Alright, let's cut them. Okay, be careful again when you're dealing with scissors, alright? So make sure your mom or your sister or brother, big brother or big sister is next to you to help you. Okay, now this will be nice design that you can make for Raya, for Deepavali, for Chinese New Year, for Christmas. Okay, so those kind of things will be very nice. So you can help mom and dad in decorating the house. Alright, so we're going to use the idea of symmetric. Okay, symmetric. Alright, okay, so it's here. I'm going to cut right here. Alright, again, be very careful when you're dealing with scissors. Alright, so we're going to just cut this out. Now make sure you clean it up after you cut them. Okay, so look at the big mess on the floor. So, alright, okay. Okay, Mr. Mac cut it off. Now let's open and see what's turned out to be. You ready? Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's a 4-person holding hands and saying, yay, victory! Okay, so there you go. So you can create any design you want. So see the beauty is the symmetric. Okay, so the symmetric line is right here. Okay, Mr. Mike use this as a symmetric line. See the reflection of that. See that the identical figure. Alright, and then another identical figure by folding it and just cutting one shape on this paper, created me 4 identical figures. See that? Isn't that fun? Alright, okay, let's go back to the board. Alright, let's say for example, Mr. Mac to draw a square. Okay? See, the symmetric line is the very center of this line and this line. And you can also create another symmetric line right here for square. Oh, also right here. Also right there. See that? Because they're identical. They're identical. They're identical. They're identical. See that? Okay? So that's a symmetric line. So in other words, if I had to draw a shape, let's say for example, a shape of a triangle. Where is the symmetric line of that triangle? Alright? It's right there, center. That is the symmetric line. Okay? So keep in mind, okay? Symmetric. That means the center where you give the reflection. Have you ever done this? Mr. Mac used to do this. We have fun with it. When Mr. Mac was in college in the United States, we get this long mirror, alright? I put right in the center like that. So what happened is the same reflection of Mr. Mac, the half of it was shows on the mirror. So Mr. Mac started doing like legs up and hands and all that, you know. It's so hilarious. I make a lot of things with it, you know, because the both hand does the same movement because the reflection on the mirror show the other half of Mr. Mac's hand over here. When I move my eyes, my mouth and everything, and that one also moves symmetrically. See that? Symmetrically. Okay? So keep in mind, symmetric line is, let's say for example, if I were to have a shape like this, would this be considered symmetric? No, because look at that, this is has a sharp corner and this one doesn't. So this is not a symmetric, alright? So keep in mind. So I want you to understand what is symmetric, okay? Good. Well, this is also a very short lesson, sub-lesson. So how about we do this? There's no quiz on this one and we'll go to next sub-lesson, alright? So this way, just understand the term symmetric, okay? What symmetric means? Right in the center. If Mr. Mac have same pocket here, everything is same, alright? I mean, everything. If Mr. Mac cut my hair comb my hair in the middle, so everything looks identical on the both sides, and that is the symmetric line, right in the center, and that's the symmetric line, alright? Okay, good. Alright, my dear students. It's a break for you and also a break for Pablo, okay? We'll let him tell. I'll tell Pablo, there's no quiz. You can keep working for the next sub-lesson, alright? Thank you, Pablo. Alright, I already told them, so he won't come out. So I'll see you in the next sub-lesson, alright? Bye-bye.